Hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. We are still here at Lake Hartwell, about to have some lunch. One of the traditions that we usually do is cooking some brats on Mark's Firebox G2 stove. And he actually has this other piece of equipment now, which is actually like a roller. So we're going to put the brats on these rollers and just kind of spin them so that they can cook all the way around rather than just laying them on the grate. So he found this in his parents' house when he cleaned it out, so it was like, hey, let's give it a try. So here it is. So yeah, so we're gonna cook up some andouille chicken sausage today. So we'll let those charcoals burn down, and then as soon as we're ready to throw those chicken sausages on here, I'll bring you back and kind of show you what it looks like, and we'll show you how it rolls around on that grate. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, so we've got the 2 of the 4 chicken sausage that we're going to cook on the roller. So we're trying to see if it's going to roll, but it seems like it's sticking.
Yeah.
It's like maybe the caramelization or a thing. Maybe you got to wait until it like burns off a little bit there before it rolls. I don't know.
I don't know. It holds it in place for without. It will keep the brat from at least rolling off the edge of the...
Yeah, for sure. So it'll definitely hold it in place, but I don't know. So we'll give it a try. So after it cooks for a while and maybe it gets out, some of the fat starts dripping out of it a little bit, maybe then it'll be easier to roll in the thing. But ideally, like you see at a good old-fashioned, convenience store, we want the ideal here. We can just kind of spin them and roll them on those rollers. So we'll see what happens. And then on the other side, we've got just opened up a can of beans. And we were just putting it on that stove right there, but now we just put the beans next to the charcoal. Yeah. So we'll see what happens with that. So, all right, like I said, if we can get these chicken sausages to start rolling, I'll bring you back and show that. Otherwise, we'll just be cooking them on there, and then when we're done, we'll kind of show you the final product, which is those on a nice bun with some spicy mustard. So stay tuned, everybody. All right, everybody, so we took the brats off with the thing because it wasn't really rolling as we thought it was supposed to do, so that's okay. Still cooked up those 2 chicken sausages pretty good. So then we put the can of beans on top here, let that heat up and start bubbling. So then we'll put the other 2 on, and then we'll have our lunch. So, all right, so we tried a piece of gear, thought it would work. It didn't. Maybe we should have sprayed it before we put it on. That's what Mark suggested. And then it would have rolled easier because the brat, their chicken sausage rather just keeps sticking a little bit, and it's hard to make them spin. So I don't know. Let's try it. We'll try something else next time. So, but for right now, we're just gonna let those beans heat up. The 2 chicken sausages are almost ready, and then I'll show you just a little bit of our beans and our brat lunch. So, all right, stay tuned, everybody. We'll be right back. All right, everybody. So this is the last chicken sausage right here. I'm just gonna drop this on my roll. I'm gonna go put some spicy mustard on this and finish off my lunch. Mark already ate his, so he's all good. Have some Doritos and finish off those cans of beans. So, all right, this is just our standard kind of brat lunch that we have here at Lake Hartwell. So, thanks everybody for watching. Sorry this roller didn't work out quite as well as we thought, but if you got gear, you gotta try it and see what it is. We'll try it again some other time, maybe spray it like we said, and see if we can get it to work. But for now, we're just gonna go and enjoy our lunch. So thanks everybody for watching. If you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, and we'll have another video for you soon, everybody. So take care.
Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.